tutorial, I'll show you how to use the application overview page in CloudRaptor to monitor and manage your deployed application. To get started, go to your dashboard and click on Applications from the left sidebar. Now select the application you want to manage. This will open the application detail page. Make sure you're on the Overview tab. Here, you'll find everything you need to monitor and manage your application in one place. At the top, you'll see the Domain and Connectivity section. This shows your primary domain, the container status, whether it's running or stopped, and the server's IP address. You'll also find quick action buttons to visit your live site or open the file manager. On the right side, you will see a small icon. This is the Container Status button. Here you can view detailed information about your application's Docker container, including the container ID, Docker image, exposed ports, current state, and more. This helps you monitor your application's performance in real time. Next, you'll find the Additional Domains section. From here, you can add or remove domain aliases for your application, allowing you to connect multiple domains to the same app. The application overview page gives you a centralized place to monitor your app's health, access your site, and manage important settings quickly and easily. And that's how you use the application overview in CloudRaptor. If you're still stuck, contact our dedicated support team for any of your queries, or reach out at support@cloudraptor.io.